In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete pending tasks from the Google Calendar app. First, let's start by heading over to the Google Calendar website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing Google Calendar into the search bar. Click on the first link that appears in the search results, which should direct you to the Google Calendar homepage. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to enter your Google account email. This is the email you use to access all of Google's services, including Calendar. After entering your email, go ahead and click on the Next button. This will prompt you to enter your password. Keep in mind that for security reasons, you should always ensure you're on the official Google website before entering personal login details. Type in your password and then click Next to proceed. Now that you're signed into your account, it's time to navigate through your calendar. Look for the pending tasks that you want to manage. You can either scroll through the days on your calendar view or use the search function to find the task quickly. Once you locate the task, click on one of them to open it up. After selecting the task, you'll notice various options. You want the option that says Delete Task. Clicking this will remove that particular pending task from your calendar. You might see a pop-up asking you to confirm your choice to delete. If so, make sure you're ready to remove it permanently, then confirm the deletion. It's as straightforward as that. By following these steps, you can efficiently keep your Google Calendar organized by removing tasks that are no longer needed. Using Google Calendar effectively not only helps in managing your time, but also ensures that you're always on top of the tasks that actually require your attention. Additionally, if you often find yourself with an overwhelming number of pending tasks, consider setting periodic calendar reviews to clean up or update your task list. This habit can help minimize distraction and focus on your most crucial responsibilities. Remember, careful management of your tasks using tools like Google Calendar is a great way to improve your productivity and time management skills. If you have any questions or need more help, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll do my best to assist you. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.